the door and let me love you for the night.
High volume.
I like how you wrap around the edges, laying on your chest in my bed now. Loving all the days we together. If they don't get it, then forget it. I do, yeah, I do the way I do. And they don't only like you, all the things that we've been through. Love when you call me baby, make me feel like a lady. And we go off around the gate, your love is never lazy. But when I wake up, you ain't there, now I'm going crazy. I ask myself why we can't be closer. I play those same games 1,000 times over. And you break us all night with me, oh don't you? You can leave your heart at the door and let me love you for the night. I know them other girls, yeah they all the same. You could have the world, you could have LA. I'ma give it to you, and I don't hesitate. If I call you up, then you know that I'm on the way. You and your mouth catching checks that you know.
Your hair braided.
Hey guys. Avery's so beautiful.
Avery's what? You're so beautiful. Yes, you are, girl. Say hi.
Mom, but they
Tell them good morning.
Mom, but they was here.
Okay. Say good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Monday.
Okay guys, Avery and my fall.
Tell them you're getting, yes, you're 4. Tell them you're getting ready for. Where you going?
Go.
You're going to school. Oops, it's blurry. Step back. Okay. Good morning, guys. Good. Is it more? Yeah, it's afternoon, not morning. Why every time I come on the thing is good morning. It's afternoon. Good afternoon, guys. It is Monday. It is Monday, and we're in October. And the weather for October here in London is quite nice. It is sunny out. It's not that cold, so it's quite nice. I can't complain. Normally it wouldn't be like this, but the weather is quite nice. So anyways, guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Sue Lifestyle. If you're new here, please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, guys. Subscribe and share out the video. Anyways, guys, I went on the road. I just went to pop in Primark, and because the weather is changing, I need to get like a little jumpers and stuff like that. Oh, it's a funeral going on. Yes, I went to get like a jumper and what else, and also I went to pick up my certificate. Girl. I'm so proud of myself. On to the next level now, girl. Mash up angle and triangle that, and I'm moving on to the next level. So I'm so proud of myself. I know to the next level I got harder, you know. Jesus. But you know, we have to, as babe would say, no pain, no gain. You want good, you know it's a for run. And right now, me want good. So anyways, guys, so yes, I went to Primark and got just almost a treat something me pick up, because to be honest, I never really see nothing like what I really like or anything. Probably I'll shop on Shein and Fashion Nova and ASOS. Here and there I'll find things, because you know, so I'm not go nowhere, and I just want some things to run around, like, you know, if I'm dropping the kids to school, or you know, little stuff like that. Nothing too drastic. What else is the plan for today? Oh, I need to go over to my dentist, because I've been calling them and I haven't been getting through. So maybe I go over there and make an appointment, because I feel like my tooth right here is very sensitive. So I don't know if there's a hole in it or what. So I'm gonna go and make an appointment. And what else am I doing for today? You know, so I don't know what else may I do. I wanted to go to Starbucks, but I'm not sure if I'm going to go because it's pumpkin season and I want to try the pumpkin what you call it, like the pumpkin drinks for this season. But I said I want to do it with Aiden, so I'm not gonna go because Aiden want to try it too. So I'm not gonna go. I'm going to probably take him probably another week or so. Yeah, make him go try it, and we'll let you guys know how it tastes. You know, you want the rundown. And so what else? I need to, you know, I need some liquor. Oh no, so I needed a face wash, so I went to Boots. Boots here is our what do you call it now, like Fantana Pharmacy in Jamaica, and like Walmart, that's what I call it. Yeah, like on a Walmart in America. Yeah, Walmart, that's how I put it. Yeah, Walmart. So anyways, I went there and I was gonna get the La Roche-Posay face cleanser. It was 24 something, and I'm like, do I really want to spend 24 pounds on just a face cleanser? So I remember the girlies were talking about Anua, and this is a Korean skincare, so I'm gonna try the Anua and see how it works for me. If not, because I think my face is gotten you know, I'm a Survey type of girl, always been using Survey, but I think it's time to switch it up and try something different, you know, because sometimes your face starts to get used to the one thing that you keep on using. So I am going to switch it up, you know, switch it up. Alright, so you have the Anua Pore Control Cleansing Oil and getting this one. So let me forget the two of them. I'm back and I got my stuff. So I went to Boots, as I told you guys, but instead of I get the one, I got the cleansing foam, the deep pore cleansing foam from Anua, so I'm gonna try that. And I also pick up the cleansing oil. I said I was gonna take two, but I see where I was watching a girl on TikTok and she used both and her skin really looks nice. So, and because it's getting to the cold season, I think the cleansing oil will leave back moisture in your skin, or in my skin I should say. And the deep pores is to, you know, cleanse deep down in the pores, them take out all of the gunk. So I'm gonna try out these two and I'll let you guys know if it's worth the hype. Because you know, so sometimes TikTok be like, oh, this and that. What else? Oh, might as well just do a little haul here, isn't it? Why not? Also, I went to TK Maxx and I just pick up this face cream because my face cream is finished and it's from Mix Soon. I keep on seeing this brand everywhere, and it was 16 pounds. It's like this. That's the brand, and it's a Korean brand as well. So yeah, that's all I got, those three things. And as I said, I went to Primark. I think I'll show you the Primark stuff later when I get home. I am currently hungry, and I went into Boots. You know what I hate going to Boots as a black person? Every time as you walk in, they start to trail you. Like, why are they follow behind me, security? Why are you following behind me? Like, I think white people come in, Caucasian people come in, I'm gonna see you move. And as soon as I stepped through, this is you walking, thinking I'm going to thief something. I hate that. That's one of the things I don't like with the stores here. As a black person, they'll watch you like a art, like you go thief something. Not every black person is thief. You get me? Just like it's not every white person is a thief. But when you not follow the white people, you follow the black people. This is what I don't like. But anyways, we move. This is a country we live in.
Please say a command.
I'm not talking to you right now, okay? I'm not talking to you. Anyways, sorry for my ranting, but trust me, you see, foreign life, that's how it is. You're gonna feel racism at some point, you know? At some point. Because I don't know why the man, I'm telling you, he follow me and he's looking like, and he thinks I'm not look, see, say, I'm looking, yeah, do your job, but you're not doing it when time you see other people of different complexion. So if indeed I do it to everybody, then we don't feel no way. But sorry, you're not doing it to everybody. So guys, you know my old table mats, got them out for the autumn. I'm about to have some plant-based yogurt, vanilla flavor, and some granola. This is the hazelnut and chocolate granola. Very nice, trust me. Very. Hey guys, checking back in. I'm about to take a shower, but I said let me try out the Anua for you guys and let's see how it is. I'm in my bathroom, obviously. The fan is on because I'm about to take a shower. I am tired as hell. The kids are sleeping, so I'm just going to wind down, do my skincare, do a quick shower, not too long, and go to bed. But let me do my skincare. So I'm going to be using cleansing oil first, and then I'm going to use the cleansing foam. So basically I'm going to do a double cleanse. So as I said, I've never used any of these products before, so pray for me. Hopefully not break me out or anything like that. I don't really have sensitive skin still, and I don't have acne prone skin. So I'm gonna try these and hopefully I love them. Hopefully I really love them. So, and I got it from Boots. So this is the cleansing oil. Focus. Yeah, that's the cleansing oil. So I'm going to be using that first. So I'm doing a little. So the girl I'm doing. Oh God, I'm doing too much. I had a long day today. I came back home. I didn't even show you guys the camera. I mean, I get nothing really much, so I'll probably show it tomorrow. And this is the Anua Heart Leaf Quercentual Pore Deep Cleansing Foam. This is a deep cleansing foam one. This I see all over TikTok, and the cleansing oil as well. Some people like it, some people don't, but I'm going to try it out for myself and let you guys know if I really like it, how it make my skin feel afterwards. Hopefully not dry out my skin. So guys, says to apply an appropriate amount of oil on dry hands. So that's enough. Come closer so you guys can see. I'm not wearing any makeup or anything like that. I'm sure this would be good to take off makeup. I don't think I needed that much. 2 pumps. I think 1 pump would be just fine, to be honest. So I'm just massaging it in my face. And then I'm going to rub it off, rinse it off with lukewarm water. The deep pore foam cleanser as well. This definitely have a minty scent to it. Okay, I'm going to rinse now. I like the feel of it though. I really like it. How it feels on my face so far. I can say my skin feels soft and it don't feel dry. Feels clean but not squeaky dry, like it doesn't feel drying. So I love that about it. Yeah, feels good so far. I'm going to continue using it and see how it works for my skin. I'm going to shower and then I'll put on my niacinamide, retinol and my moisturizer, but it doesn't feel drying at all. It feels clean though. My skin feel like it really clean, like, you know, like clean out the pores, clean out any gunk. It has a fresh feel to it. I don't know how to explain it, but this is how my face is looking. squeaky clean.
Time will bring the real end of our trial. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no residual feelings within you. Then you won't remember me. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always love you. We feel the same. Oh, baby, dirty, gave us so bad. Toy when my affliction had to fill out my prescription. 'Cause the remedy I had to set you free. Away from you to see clearly the way that love can be when you are not with me. I had to live, I had to live, I had to leave, I had to live. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings. Love set you free to fly your pretty wings around. Wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings. I came wrong, you were right. Transformed your love into life. Baby, believe me, I'm sorry I told you lies. I turned day into night, sleep till I die 1,000 times. I should have shown you better nights, better times, better days. I miss you more and more. As you let love song go through, your pretty wings are pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings are pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings, your pretty wings are pretty wings, all pretty wings, yeah. Pretty wings, your pretty wings are someone that is gonna love you. Someone's gonna love you, baby.
So guys, we're in Costco this morning. Good morning. It is Tuesday and I'm going to pick up some stuff. So let's get into it because it's a busy day for me today. A very, very, very busy day. So I just come in here to do some topping. It's pretty. Change it. Maybe it's this one. Let's get this. Broccoli. and we don't take anything from the top. We got one of this one. In the car. Just went to Costco to do a little topping up. Alright, so that is off the list. Lord of God, 80 something pound that, you know, bro. But the good thing with Costco, it's bulk, and when you buy in bulk, it lasts longer, to be honest. Alright, what else am I on the list now? All I need to go get now is plantain and spring onion and a birthday card, because today is Babe's birthday. Oh, today's his birthday. So I need to get a birthday card from the kids to him. Yeah. And yeah, that's it. I feel like me have something else, you know. Oh, and I said I want to go to B&M and get, I want to organize underneath the cupboard, the snacks cupboard for the kids. I want to get one of those basket, like those little basket where they can put the crisp in and stuff like that. So I'm gonna check B&M. I'm gonna check B&M for that. Yeah, that's it. And then I'm going home. I'm gonna clean out the fridge. I'm going to let me reverse out. I'm glad me come something there. I'm glad me come Costco early. There was nobody really in there. The best time to come Costco is early morning as it opened, which is 10 o'clock. Love. So these are the baskets that they have. But like, why they look like this? I'm not pay £8 for this, and it looks. And they have this one. Don't like. I think I want something bigger. Probably check Amazon. This is too small. I'm gonna check Amazon. So guys, I am back home, and this is what I'm talking about. I want to show you guys with the kids snacks. I want to get them out of the bag and have a little what you call it, snack storage to keep their snacks in. I keep all their box juices here. Those will be the same, but like their snacks, like the Oreos, the crisps, I want to just have like storage here, storage basket, so I could just put them in, and like their sweets, you know, just organize. Just this top shelf. This one is just for their juice, the juices, which I will just leave them just like that. But yeah, I didn't see any that I like in there, and not only that, the what do you call it, the what's the word I'm looking for, some of the material, is the material, that's what, yeah, some of the material on the storage basket that I saw, they were all like, some of them broken, the stitching wasn't right. Like, no, I'm not gonna do it. When I buy something, just buy something proper and done. Anyways, so I'm back home. These are, I'll show you guys what I got from Costco. Cupcake, I mean not cupcake, muffin, and broccoli, lettuce, Romanian lettuce. These are the lettuce that we eat, and some Oreos. This should go on right here. I'll just leave it here for now. I'm going to clean out inside of the fridge, organize everything, and yeah, call it a day. Just tidy up a bit quickly, because by the time you look, it's time to go collect them kids, and time goes so quickly, and it's already after 12. But I'm happy that I went out early this morning and got what I need to get what I need to get, and get back in the house so I can get things going. So I'm gonna clean the fridge and just listen to some Supreme radio. When I finish, then I'll show you guys. I'm hungry too, because it's my time to eat. I'm a bit tired. Anyways, let's sort out this fridge.
But they're still treated as they've done nothing wrong. And so it's really interesting on who you're pointing the finger at. And why? Because there's issues with Nelson Mandela. So I don't know if you did. Yes, so Nelson Mandela. I know where you're going. Basically allow people to let people off.
There was, I mean, when you go with this one as well, sometimes you might be someone with a different perspective, because there was a lot of the younger South Africans, and I said the South Africans explained, do not look at Nelson Mandela as the post-person for racial equality. Some look at me, he's sold out. And he's sold out for, not just for himself, but
And on the other hand, they did it in solidarity with the Palestinians, which is something that Nelson Mandela had spoken about.
Time will bring the red and the hot now. There'll be no remnants, no trace, no refugee. You feel as within you, and you will remember. Your face will be the reason I smile, but I will not see what I cannot have forever. I'll always with you. I hope you feel the same. Oh, you played me dirty, gave me so bad. Toy with my affliction, had to fill out my prescription. 'Cause the